We'll do well for a sunset today, but I'll take no rain.
Yeah, makes sense.
Right, shush. How deep is it? Well, we're in. We got 2 foot, 3 foot, about 3 foot. I want some shallow lures if it's 3 foot. Good morning. So I'm here with Sean to see if we can find any pike this morning. Hopefully there'll be some action and it'll be a good morning. We shall see. Close season's coming and we haven't got long till we've got to be off the river, but it's looking pikey, so we'll see how we get on. I think we're going to head down this canal a little bit and see what we can find. Let's have a couple of casts and see if we can find something. It's going to be an interesting place to lure fish. Want some weedless lures here, I reckon. Which way do you want to head then, bud?
Huh?
This way or that way?
That way.
That way?
Yeah.
Cool beans. I'll follow you down.
Huh?
So I'll follow you down.
Yeah, yeah.
Whenever you... Come on, fish, where are you? Two options, I guess. Well, we've got more than two options, haven't we? Because it's still quite early. You can either paddle, keep going, and annoy these idiots and keep going, hate pole fishermen, so we can piss them off and keep going. See if it gets better up there. We can try here, or we could go back and go the other way. So it just depends what you want to do. Do you want to try to cut the deads out? And
yeah, I will in a minute.
Sit here for 20 minutes?
Corner.
I'm still trying to lure fish, but it's not happening.
Right, listen, you've got 7 feet here, I've got 7 feet here,
It ain't happening. The weed goes in the lure goes in the weed before you can get it out, and it's a weedless lure.
Float down. Float down 15 feet.
Get off me camera, you bastard. Where's my other rod? I'm going to put 2 out.
What did I I do is drift in the bait with that real slow tide. Just a suspended dead bait. Just let it drift all the way down the river. About a lot takes for that.
I don't use the pole very often,
No.
but it isn't
It's very interesting.
it isn't normally 3 foot deep, so
It's like, yeah, you're right. I said it'd be intimate. I didn't think it'd be this intimate, but yeah. Off the bottom with that one.
they both should be off the bottom.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I was just watching it, wondering where it was going.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, both of them were about that deep.
Yeah.
In the hope that they won't sink
We're
in.
talking about what I normally do, what normally works, and we've done it already.
I'm trying to make sure it doesn't go in the fucking weed. I think the most we got was 4.1 in like an odd hole.
So I might not have a problem with that.
All I'm fishing on mine is I've got, I don't know what I make mine, so mine's probably, I don't know, say 18 inches long, my wire trace.
Yeah.
And then my float is directly on my braid.
Yeah.
So at the minute they're probably 18 inches under the water, 2 foot, something like that. It's about as short as they'll go without knocking up some shorter traces.
That's fine, isn't it? That's fine. So you've got roach on it now, haven't you?
I've got a roach on the closest one,
Right.
and half a bluey on the furthest one away. Just go down here a bit to like where that sign is and have another go for 20 minutes and then move on a bit.
Absolutely, yeah.
I'm happy with that.
Absolutely, yeah.
Well, we tried the first spot and nothing here. Been here about half hour, so gonna move down to the next spot. Follow Sean down, see if we can find where the fish are. It's very quiet this morning. Nice day though, so let's see what happens. We'll do what we can and we'll go and have a look. Hopefully we can find some fish somewhere. You want to move down?
Yeah, let's go, Harley, yeah.
Yeah, sounds good to me. Let me get a rod in. Oh,
I'm catching here.
no.
We'll find them.
I think there's a load of fish here. A load of small fish on the fish finder.
Yeah.
Sitting sort of spudged up above the weed.
Yeah.
You want to have a go here?
Ooh. What was that?
That's got to have been a pike. Why have I cast it down there? Beating their horn.
Yeah.
What an absolute melt.
It's an alarm, isn't it? Alarm's gone off, he's gone shopping.
That can't be an alarm, surely.
That don't sound like an alarm, but I bet it's what it is.
It sounds like an angry fruitcake. A worst case scenario, if we don't catch nothing, we can go out there and get a couple of pole rods for free later. Just paddle past and grab the end of it.
Oh, that was you, was it?
Next spot.
I think so, didn't you?
Yeah, let's do it.
I'm not in the mood for having back today. leave it by the fire for a minute. I'm on the flag when we go, yeah?
It's just followed it in.
I know.
Fucker.
Yeah, I know. Mate, they're here. I swear. I reckon about here, don't you?
Yeah, can do. There's a guy fishing there, so we might want to
Where is it?
behind that trailer. They love a car alarm here, didn't they?
I don't know, yeah.
Fuck me. That's better.
Right, yeah.
If you want to head back up there, we'll head back up there.
Yeah, I think so. Do you?
Yeah, I'm up for that. I've got to be proactive. Sitting about doing nothing won't get them. So
No, exactly. No, you're right.
we can
You're right,
definitely
you're
we can definitely give it a go.
right. Yeah, I mean we had tried hard, didn't we? I think the hands will. Oh look, showing off that. Look, showing off that.
£1/2 dead bait. Try that there. Oh, it's in the weed. Why are you in the weed? Look at this now.
You ain't.
No, I'm in a fish. No fucking way. Oh, you just let go. Motherfucker.
No right.
That must have bit it as I moved it.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Leave it dead still.
I've had more fish wobbling than I have anything else lately. I'm just thinking about what I can do with what I've got to maximise the time.
Or right out near the bridge, and just twitch it back.
They don't appear to be playing ball today, do they? I think I missed the best take of the day. I can't say I didn't try. I don't know what else to do. I'm all out of ideas. I'm all out of ideas. So this fucker can go in, and he's won. He can have it. Other than electro fishing or dynamite, I don't know what else we could have done, really.
No, you're right.
I don't know what else we could have tried.
With static, yeah, drifting.
It's annoying we couldn't have hooked any of them up. We've seen three, haven't we? We've seen three definite fish.
Yeah.
You all packed up? Right, I'll do the same. Oh, fuck. Other than calling in sick and fucking fishing all night, I don't know what else to try. Found any fish yet? I hope you know where you're going, because I don't.
Yeah, do you remember that?
We're looking for the rope, aren't we?
Yeah, the rope.
Yeah, there's the rope.
That's right.
So we got in here.
That's right, yeah, we did, yeah.
Fucking hell.
There you go.